Today, let's have our analysis for Ayala. You can see the price is 448. This is really undervalued price, and my recommendation is we are going to buy in this level, especially if this one, if you were able to buy at 401, that is good because this is really undervalued. The price is too low, and if ever you miss this one, you can buy to this one, but remember that there's a tendency that it will going to go down. It will create here a double bottom, this one. But if you were able to buy this one, just hold your position and just add this level, because that is the tendency. If the market is going down, we are in a downtrend, there is a possibility that because of the volatility of the market, it will going to, before it will go up, it will create here a double bottom. That is one of the algorithms of the stock market. Or two scenarios will going to happen. It will going to continue to go up. But usually, because the market, before the market will going to move, it will create first a consolidation, or the just like that one, double bottom or consolidation, just like this one. It will consolidate here like this one before it will going to go up. It's because that is part of the most of the time. Look at this one. Before it went down, there's a consolidation. This one. Before that is also that you're going to bear in mind that market, before the market will going to go up, just like this one, there's a consolidation and then went up, then go down, and consolidation before it finally went to this level. Okay, so there might be a consolidation before it will going to go up. So if you miss this one, don't worry. There's a tendency that the market will going to consolidate this one. But if ever you really want to buy this level, that's okay. That is still too low. Still, the price is too low. Okay, so what is, if you're going to ask me, what is our confirmation that Ayala will going to go up already? Well, we need to see the structure. There must be a consecutive higher high and higher low. So this is our, somewhere here, our confirmation. If there is a break of structure in this level, this one, break of structure, and then hopefully this one also, we can, the price will going to move above this price, and definitely there is a high probability that it will going to continue to hit this 1000 level. This one, it should, there must be a break of structure first in this level, even though this is, because this is forming a lower low and then it's lower high in our structure. So this one, the movement will like this. There must be consecutive, this one, higher high and break of structure, and will trade above this level. What we want to see is it will trade, how much is this price, 768, and then it will continue to stay above this level, and then that would be our confirmation. By the way, if you miss this level, then you can buy during the pullback, this level. We're not going to, for us, one of our strategies is we're not going to chase the market. We always wait for the pullback, for the right opportunity, then we're going to buy. And then once we bought the market, we'll just forget our position, just wait for the market to go up, appreciate the price, and then we're going to take profit. We will not chase the market. We will always let the market come to us, then wait for the right opportunity. Okay, so just one of our strategies is we let the market work for us. Let the stock market work for us. We don't chase really the market. Okay, so that's it. If ever we can see this structure, and that would be our confirmation. And before that one, we will check first the all-time high. we really need to always check the all-time high before we're going to trade, and then all-time low. That is our should be this one of our strategies that we will be able to check always, even if we do not assume that the market will going to go up always. Also, we will going to analyze when the market will going to go down and go up, and then especially the all-time low and all-time high. So we will see if the market, what is now the price, if the price in the mid price or too high or too low. Okay, so this one is 183. This is the price during 2009, and then this one, the all-time high is 1099. So this was what year is 2018. So there is a possibility. Why there is a possibility? Because the market will going to rebalance. Sorry, the market will going to rebalance the movement of the market, like this one. That is one of its characteristics. The algorithm of the market, that if there is an open space, this one, it will going to rebalance this one, just like this one, open space. It went down, rebalance the market, and after that one, it will going to go back again to rebalance the open space. So the gap, it will going to fill the gap. That is one of the algorithm of the market. That's why we have to understand the movement of the market before we're going to trade. So this one is a buy, then we are waiting that it will going to hit this level and then take our profit. Don't be greedy. But if you really want to stay if you want you want that you have always a position, maybe if they say 80%, 20%, you're going to leave your position. Wait for if there is a breakout, then that's the time you're going to take profit. Or if you really don't want to take your profit here, just do not all your positions stay with this level. You have to at least 60%, but 80% is good. Take profit 80% of your position, then the 20%, whatever the market will do, just stay your position. Do not touch your position. 20% of your position. If ever the market will whether the market will going to go up or go down, and if it will going to go down, you just have to add your position. Then if it will continue to go up, at least you still have your position, and then you're still earning. Okay, so that's our analysis for Ayala. And also we will always include the fundamental analysis. Let's check its fundamental analysis, this one. So the fundamental analysis, the net income is very important. This is the first thing that we're going to check if it is positive or negative. So 42 billion with market capitalization of 277 billion. So what you're going to do is how much percentage? You just have to divide this one by 277, then times 100. I think more or less that is 15%. It's the income, the net income is 15%. So it means that Ayala is really doing good. That's if 15%, that's a big income already, net income. If we are talking about 15%, even 10%, usually standard is 10%, but above that 10%, that is really, the company is really doing good. So you can also look at the EPS, earnings per share, 83 pesos. That's too high. Usually 5 to 10%. 5 to 10 pesos on an average, the EPS, earnings per share. So we will also take a look the Q4 2025, if the EPS, so still this is high, 21. still positive. The most important thing is positive, although there are sometimes negative, but even the net income is negative. The company, the price will still go up is because the investors are very attractive to that company. But sometimes because they're investing, the company is investing, or they are investing in new product. That's why they're negative. But in the long run, they will able to recover that one, or expansion. They have an expansion of their company. Okay, that's why they're negative. But in the long run, if the company is really doing good, then they're able to have a good income in the long run. The, especially the net income. Okay, so that's why we are buying. That's the reason why we are buying Ayala, because of also the fundamental is really good. Okay, so back to analysis, our technical analysis. I think I've discussed to you already the points that really want to focus, where they want to focus when investing Ayala Corporation. So I hope this has been helpful to you, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe so that you will be notified for our next video. Thank you so much.